In this video, we will introduce you to the top 5 best RGB gaming mouse in 2026. We made this list based on research, quality, and customer reviews. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned in this video, be sure to click the links in the description box below. Before we continue, kindly subscribe and click the bell icon so you won't miss out on our new videos. So here are the best RGB gaming mouse. Number 1, Logitech G502X Plus Wireless Gaming Mouse, Lightspeed Wireless, NIGHTSWORD Hybrid Switches, Hero 25K Sensor, LightSync RGB, 13 Programmable Buttons, PC/Mac Black. Lightspeed Wireless Performance Ultra Fast, Low Latency Wireless Connection for Competitive Gaming. NIGHTSWORD Hybrid Switches Optical Speed with Mechanical Click Feel for Precise and Reliable Response. Hero 25K Sensor Accuracy up to 25,600 dpi with Smooth Tracking and Pixel Perfect Control. LightSync RGB Lighting Customize lighting effects with millions of colors using Logitech G Hub. 13 Programmable buttons assign macros, shortcuts, and commands for maximum in-game control. The Logitech G502X Plus Wireless Gaming Mouse is the next evolution of the legendary G502 series, built for gamers who demand speed, accuracy, and full customization. Powered by Lightspeed wireless technology, it delivers ultra-low latency performance for smooth, lag-free gameplay featuring advanced Lightforce hybrid optical-mechanical switches. This mouse provides fast actuation with a crisp click feel for consistent performance. The powerful Hero 25K sensor offers up to 25,600 dpi, ensuring ultra-precise tracking for FPS, MOBA, and competitive gaming. With LightSync RGB lighting, a comfortable ergonomic design, and 13 programmable buttons, the G502X Plus is the perfect wireless gaming mouse for players who want maximum control and premium performance. Number 2, Corsair NIGHTSWORD RGB Gaming Mouse, 18,000 dpi optical sensor, 10 programmable buttons, adjustable weight system, ICUE compatible, FPS and MOBA mouse. Black. 18,000 dpi high accuracy sensor precision optical tracking designed for competitive FPS and MOBA gaming. 10 fully programmable buttons customize macros, shortcuts, and in-game commands for faster reactions. Adjustable weight tuning system fine-tune your mouse feel with an included weight system for perfect balance. Dynamic RGB backlighting customize vibrant RGB effects and profiles through Corsair ICUE software. Ergonomic comfort for long sessions built for palm grip control and extended gaming performance. Upgrade your gameplay with the Corsair NIGHTSWORD RGB Gaming Mouse, built for. Number 3, Salikaka SM809 Pro Gaming Mouse, 24,000 dpi optical sensor, 9 side buttons, 16 programmable macro keys, RGB backlit MMO gaming mouse, black. 24,000 dpi high precision sensor adjustable DPI for smooth tracking and accurate control in every game. 9 side buttons for MMO gaming quick access to skills, macros, and commands for faster reactions. 16 programmable macro functions customize button mapping and macros to match your playstyle. RGB backlit gaming design colorful RGB lighting effects. Enhance your gaming setup and style. Ergonomic comfortable grip designed for long gaming sessions with a secure and comfortable feel. Dominate MMO, FPS, and MOBA games with the Salikaka SM809 Pro Gaming Mouse, designed for gamers who need speed, accuracy, and full control. Featuring an advanced 24,000. Number 4, Razer Basilisk V3 Ergonomic Gaming Mouse, 26K dpi optical sensor, chroma RGB lighting, 11 programmable buttons, hyperscroll tilt wheel, fast optical switches, classic black. 26K dpi optical sensor precision ultra accurate tracking with up to 26,000 dpi for smooth and responsive control. Fastest Razer optical mouse switches lightning fast actuation with crisp clicks for competitive gaming performance. 11 programmable buttons customize macros, shortcuts, and commands for FPS, MOBA, and MMO gameplay. Hyperscroll tilt will switch between free spin scrolling and tactile cycling with tilt click controls. Razer Chroma RGB lighting stunning multi-zone RGB effects with millions of colors and game sync support. Take full control of your gameplay with the Razer Basilisk V3 customizable ergonomic gaming mouse, designed for speed, precision, and ultimate customization. Equipped with an advanced 26K dpi optical sensor, this mouse delivers incredibly accurate tracking for competitive FPS, MOBA, and action gaming. Featuring Razer's fastest optical mouse switches, the Basilisk V3 provides ultra-fast response times with crisp, consistent clicks. With 11 programmable buttons, you can assign macros and commands to match your playstyle and dominate every. Number 5, Asus ROG Keris 2 Origin Wireless Gaming Mouse, 42K DPI optical sensor, 65G lightweight ergonomic design, tri-mode connectivity, up to 127 hours battery, web-based configuration, PC/Mac Black. Ultralight 65G ergonomic design, right-handed shape, built for comfort, speed, and long gaming sessions. Tri-mode connectivity, use Bluetooth, 2.4 GHz wireless, or wired USB for flexible performance. 42000 DPI high precision sensor, extreme tracking accuracy for competitive FPS and esports gaming. Up to 127 hours battery life, long-lasting wireless performance for extended play without frequent charging. Web-based configuration, support easily customized settings without software installation, PC/Mac compatible. Step into elite wireless performance with the Asus ROG Keris 2 Origin wireless gaming mouse, designed for competitive gamers who demand speed, precision, and comfort. Built with a lightweight 65G right-handed ergonomic design, this mouse delivers smooth control and reduced fatigue during long gaming sessions. Powered by a powerful 42K DPI optical sensor, the Keris 2 Origin offers ultra-accurate tracking and responsive movement, perfect for FPS, MOBA, and esports gameplay. With tri-mode connectivity, you can switch between 2.4 GHz wireless, Bluetooth, or wired USB to match your setup and playstyle. Enjoy extended gaming with up to 127 hours of battery life, giving you more time to play and less time charging. Plus, with web-based configuration, you can easily adjust DPI,